Hi, this is the second portion of the GDPR common questions. I'll keep it brief. And down below, I'll update the questions as it rolls on and as the law develops and compliance develops. So number one thing, do you have to re-qualify all your leads, prospects, and contacts? No, because you have a lawful basis. It's all a lawful basis to communicate with the citizen of the EU, right? Because in a contract, if they sign a contract, you can update them, you can mail them, etc. If they signed up for an email, webinar, there's a consent form, right? But moving forward, you have to change the automatic opt-in to a positive opt-in, meaning it's blank. It's one of the key conditions. It's an active. Right? What's a basic concept? The EU citizen owns their personal data and they've given you a right to use it. And there's an expiration of like 6 months on average, unless you're in a contract, which is the duration of the contract, or a blog, right? And they have to have the right to be forgotten, but the local law overrides, like banking law, right? A right to request how their data is stored. Right? And if you get a business card, is that enough consent? No. You need a business card plus a verbal consent, which is documented, or a follow-on email for that. And so, do I have to re-email all the contacts? And again, the answer is no. Right? Will your marketing cloud journeys be violating EU policies? Possibly, because you might not have clear consent. The way Marketing Cloud works is typically off a database of like 15 million. It segments, say, into the EU or the German segment. And then over the next 2 years, there's a whole marketing path depending on contingencies. That's too long for the GDPR. You need to really look at that. You need my recommendation is to stop it and restart them. Make sure they're with GDPR compliance. Right? But I don't have any European customers. Am I affected? Yes, because if you store personal data from citizens within the EU, you need to comply with the GDPR. But the penalty is 4% of the total global revenue from the year before. Other questions? Prospects, customers, etc. Yeah, it gets granular. And with that, I want to say thank you so much. Have a great day, and look down below for the updated versions, like the latest questions. Thank you.